Congratulations on your exciting new bath project. Now that we have confirmed your installation date, here's a quick review of what to expect. Your installers will arrive between 8 a.m. and 8:30 depending on traffic. When he arrives, he will review the contract with you and give you a brief summary on how the day will progress. He will bring in drop cloths and tools. We do ask that the night before, please remove any personal items from the bathroom. We try to keep debris to a minimum during demolition, but some dust will occur. Nobody wants to start their day with a furry toothbrush. We also ask you to remove any pictures or family heirlooms on the adjacent wall surfaces to where we will be working, as there will be some vibrations during demolition. If it is something you can't remove, please let the lead installer know so he can plan accordingly. Once the water shuts off, that's when the demolition will begin. The water will be off for approximately 2 to 3 hours. This gives us time to do the demolition, install the new plumbing fixtures, and water test the new plumbing parts that we've installed. Once the water test is complete, the water will remain on. Upon completion, the lead installer will review the job with you, go over some cleaning instructions, and collect final payment at that time. Payment can be made in the form of check, credit card, or online payment. If financed, we will notify the finance company of the completion. Thanks for choosing PJ Fitzpatrick for your bath, and welcome to the PJ Fitzpatrick family.